Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to Task Force Off-Road. So in this video, we're going up to New Hampshire. I'm filming this from the future of the trip because I kind of lost most of the first day of footage. So this is gonna be a vlog style video, and most of the vlog stuff in the first day I lost. I don't know how I lost it, but it's not there. But we're taking the jet ski. We're going up to my friend's lake house in Ossipee, New Hampshire, at Lake Ossipee. We're towing the jet ski up with the Jeep. It's gonna be a really fun weekend. It was a really fun weekend. I hope you guys enjoy it. This is a different kind of video, and if you like Jeep jet ski content, please go down and hit that subscribe button, join the task force, and I'll see you guys later on in the video.
Yeah, it's that first day of first grade. That cute girl, your third date. That backpack, that snapback you've had since the third grade. The first time you got laid, the worst time you got played. It hurt but you're okay, you learned from your mistakes. Your friends back in high school, we thought we were so cool. We'd steal Jack, my dad's stash, and drink the whole night through. The first time you first moved, dad's new job, a new roof, new student, made new friends, a new start, a new you. I guess things could be worse. Dad's in sales and my mom is a nurse. Yeah, family comes first. Remember all the good and forget about the worst. Yeah, some things will burn and others will hurt, but you can make it work. Yeah, just flash back and be glad that you can look back at a good past, happy that you have that. I like living in the past, it makes me thankful for everything I have. Yeah, every time that I laugh, it makes me grateful for the present and the past. Yeah, don't live life too fast, take it all slowly and you can make it last. Yeah, keep all the friends that you had back in your math class, and be glad that you have them when you look back. Look back, look back, look back, look back, look back, look back. It's that time that you got caught, you snuck out and forgot. Your parents were so mad, but man, she was so hot. That time you got too drunk, the first time you blew chunks. It's okay, we all drank too much when we're too young. The first time you held hands, your first time in romance. You thought you had no chance, but still asked her to dance. The time that you moved out, your parents were so proud, and waving goodbye, they held back their tears somehow. Let's go. All lives are the same, but we can work together and we can make a change. Yeah, this life is strange. Remember all the good while forgetting all the pain. Yeah, think back to a day when you were so free just to run around and play. Yeah, you can have that day, just let go, let your mind run away. Yeah, and learn to be young, have a little fun with your friends in the sun. Cause in life you only got one, give yourself a break, quit living on the run. And be where your feet are, laying down at night, just stare up at the stars. Yeah, and be proud of who you are, wear your memories on your sleeve like a scar.
Yeah. Mike got some sunscreen in his mouth.
My lungs.
You weren't supposed to inhale that. I'm not looking at you anymore. Oh man. Alright guys, so yesterday there was filming. There wasn't much vlogging going on, kind of, because Well, we were just out chilling a lot, and then I wasn't swapping my camera over from waterproof mode to not waterproof mode. I only brought 2 of the cameras, so I didn't have a dedicated non-waterproof mode one. But well, I'll put the clip in the video somewhere around here. But yesterday, the last fall of the day, I had me, Mike, and Dan on the back of the ski, and let's just say we were all, especially me, a little dead to the world after that one. We were probably going on like 40, and we just skipped off a bad wave and all leaned in the same direction. We all went off, and falling off the ski that going that fast is not pleasant at all. Yeah, I thought I wasn't gonna have children after that one, so it was it was rough. But we're chilling again today. We're heading out later this afternoon. I'm probably gonna go do a solo run on the ski for a little bit while everyone's still, you know, getting ready. Went out to breakfast this morning. It was a great time. Guys, we effectively killed our boy Dan over here yesterday somehow. He like just died to the world this morning. I don't know what happened, but he was not having it.
My stomach is not happy with me right now.
But hey, that's all you do for a day in the lake. Mike's white as shit, so he's reapplying some sunscreen right now. Lauren's still chilling in the water. Might take the ski back out very shortly. But I needed to bring the camera back down because I've been slacking on the vlogs. So like, gotta step up the game. It was this amateur hour right now. Just not it. And you know what? Sandwiches sound pretty good.
Sandwich hour sounds nice.
What kind of sandwiches though?
I go for a nice Italian.
Dude, I mean, I could rock a solid classic PB&J right now.
Bacon turkey Bravo. Panera.
That sounds so good.
So,
Or, dude, D'Angelo's.
I haven't had D'Angelo's in a while.
D'Angelo's is low-key really good. What?
High-key really good.
High-key really
Dude,
good?
I love D'Angelo's.
Dude. Guys, I do not care how many times I come up to this state, but I swear to God, you just cannot beat this view. Like, one of the most incredible views is a giant lake in the middle of a valley. Like, seriously, how can you beat it? Alright guys, that is all for our weekend. Everyone's saying goodbye. I appreciate you watching the video while we do this, you know, something a little bit different. If you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button. We usually do some different stuff, but these do float in every now and then. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Well, I let my buddy take the jet ski out and I was gonna get some sweet drone jet ski shots. And I went to take off the drone and it just dinked off the side of the dock and went right in the drain. I really hope it dries out. I'm not very hopeful right now. This hurts because this was like the cost of a lot of Jeep parts. It lives, it's just a drone. You can buy another one.